In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove private browsing mode on Safari browser on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. You may be noticed that you are on private mode. Just looking there at the search box, it will have such a gray color, and also there is that notification on start page that you are now on private browsing mode. And let me show you how to remove that mode and enable the regular browsing mode. To be able to do that, just tap and hold on that icon, and there you see that private mode is check marked, so you are on private mode now. And there you can hit on start page, and now you see that background is white now, so that is regular browsing mode. And also you can switch to regular mode once you are on that page. When you look at all your opened pages, just right here at the bottom you can hit on private and set this mode to start page mode, and now you can use your Safari browser as you normally would. So guys, that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.